Yeah, so I'm going to be showing a live demo of some of the things that Stephen was showing video demos for. So this past few weeks, I've been working on the AI layout. So you can see at the moment we're in the browser, and this is the IDE, and you'll notice that it has an old design. We've been working really hard on implementing new palettes, and we've made a lot of progress, but we've just not managed to move the AI, integrate the AI into the new IDE as of yet, but that's something that will be really easy to do and will be done in the very near future. So you can see we've got this pop-up, which is similar to the video that Stephen showed. And in here, we're just going to describe what UI we would like the AI to build. So let's go for a list of doctors. It should be possible to search and filter list. And it should also be possible to add and remove doctors from the list. So here we've just given an example of or a description of what we would like the UI or the AI to create. So when we press enter, there'll be some stuff going on behind the scenes, and we can see here it's going through the separate stages. There's stages where it generates the layout, it generates some sample data, and it pulls together. And this is a real UI that's been generated from the AI. So you can see it's quite impressive that it has created a nice looking UI. Not to mention, this has only had a few weeks of work put into it. There's lots more that we can do to this to improve it even more. So you can see we've got a field here. It's created this field for the search. We've got a filter button. And it's interesting to note that it's actually created the sample data. It's created some sample names, some sample areas of expertise. And then also we've got the image, which at the moment isn't, it's just an image icon. But that is something which we potentially could work into the AI in the future, is to actually have some images that fit with the data as well. And you can see the buttons along the bottom, which you can add or delete, or go back and forward. So it's very interesting to see, and it's quite exciting to see. This is still early days. There's a lot more, and the idea is that the final product will be as shown in the demo videos. So what's great about this is, if there's something that the AI makes and you would like to change it a little, it's very easy. So if I wanted this button to be here, you can just drag just as you would in LiveCode. And Xavvi makes it really easy to create the AI without much, create the UI without much experience of creating user interfaces. I've been using LiveCode for about 3 years now. So I'm a fairly experienced LiveCode developer. And if I was to create this UI myself, you'd probably be talking about between 10 and 15 minutes to create this, especially having all the sample data. So you can really see how this can save you time, even if you're an experienced developer. If you want a quick screen to be built, the AI is a really good tool for that, and you can make adjustments where you'd like to. So yeah, I'm just going to do another example of using the AI to create some user interface. So we just the dialogues up here again. So this time I'm going to try something a little bit different. So let's go for a form to allow users to contact customer support form should have fields for name, email, phone number, address, and a message. So this is going to hopefully create a slightly different kind of user interface. So when I press enter, again, it goes through all the different stages, generates the layout. This time it shouldn't have to create any sample data as it's a form. It'll go through these stages though. And here we go, we've got another screen here. So you can really see how this is extremely useful and can really speed up the development of interface creation. And you can see here, you can just use this straight out the bat. So this, if for example, the submit button, you wanted to maybe make it larger, again, you can do that. And one of the great things about this is it allows beginners to also make apps. It's a little bit less daunting than starting from a kind of plain canvas. You can imagine if all of this isn't here, you're really starting from nothing. So it's good for experienced developers to kind of speed things up, and it's also good for beginners who just want to kind of get into, they want to see their app that's kind of already made. Some of the things which we can improve with this as well, which we will be doing, is having themes like shown in the video that Stephen showed. So whether if you don't like some of the colors, it'll be easy to quickly change between those. And yeah, I'm really excited to see where we can go with this. There's a lot of potential with this, and I'm really excited to see what we can do with this in the future.